Good morning everyone. Today I will solve the two sum problem. So in this question there is given an array of size n. You just have to return the index which sum is equals to the target. Okay. So the first approach comes in my mind is a brute force approach, which is of big O of n squared time complexity. So the code is that, and first I create the int sum equals to 0, in which I will find the sum, and then int n equals to nums dot size, which store the size of an array. Okay, and then I will start the loop for int I equals to 0, I less than n, and then I plus plus. And second loop is G loop, which traverses from I plus 1, and j is also less than equals to n, and j plus plus. In this question I will apply the if condition if nums of I is equals to nums of I plus nums of j is equals to target. Then I just have to I just forget that I just have to add the vector in which I have to store the answer of this code, and after that I just have to return answer dot push back is I, answer dot push back j. Okay, means I just have to add the index, so I have to do this, and then I just have to break it because this contain only exactly one element, and after the ending of loop I just have to return vector. So let's check it, is it working properly or not. Yeah, this is working properly. Let's submit it. Yeah, it's submitted. So this is the brute force approach of big O of n square time complexity. Thank you.